Abunkwa kwen da pon. Da no dey ya na wo hye wechi.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Y0ur
Kennedy. Abunkwa kwen da pon. Da no dey ya na wo hye wechi. Y0U day. Wadan dan ho. Wade oba atakwa. Be twa nto kira wo da. Ewo majority ewo atakwa. Yeto aba ni we say hu bebi okodai. Y0ur Kennedy. Men konkwa hye fifi buafo dachi. Osande. Awo esedachi. Fifi buafo. NDC for ska. Wa ma contract. And amya. Yeto aba ni we say hu bebi okodai. Y0ur Kennedy. Men konkwa hye fifi buafo dachi. Osande. Awo esedachi. Fifi buafo. NDC for ska. Wa ma contract. And amya na wabusafo. There, MSI party my only thing I see demonstration now. What on soon? What on soon? What on soon? What on soon? No. I will be a one clan. I want in there. Mamba umia be president. Oninti abada se atakon sayem. Na emma NDC wonya kwan femu kono. In there da mi woni okoma. Ebe safwe. Okoma. Ebe safwe. Da mi woni okoma. Ebe safwe. Da mi woni okoma. They are very careful. Nata konsayem yen mbesafo yen no sie nado they be make sure there ye mma kwan but one for party no one fan kwa ditch ye yen party ya jesuo eti yen pe dey betty dey awu fifi guafo afra won party ba e dis ni e pa ko we dis tinem ka ho na party NPP dey se apede abemu a Aba besum. Aba bayaden. It's a young. Young. Fifi wa for last one. Only. Takwa sayemu mesafu NPP ma Women's Week. What's about the last one? Yes, about the young pal. What's about the young pal?
Akobo yanom ena eye mami ya Georgina Wood a media mami no oyo bi a mepenasem na mbom eyade a emfi mitirimu da senya medi tumi ya mawo se bomodna de di judges anim ekoduru wa sunsumu no ozo ya Assemblies of God aso dia koma tuguba ama innocent judges ebiawu mami eno dem no nya gine da NDC fo gugu anim ase ewo MV Benjamin yan ya koma wo obaya na sa Esther wo ye no gin say wontimi nko hini nanimu a enka Israelfo nyankwa enti ano de me adoma ku ba fi na me ka say me no wo hiada me film timu da ba film timu se betua osoka e dia reto onyame nsem na mo me de tutu ma no fu se to me a diama wono enya be masem enyu oba asem eye nyame to me atemu and you disappointed God any question atugu ban say ma odi be ye de be ye be din sem hunu but the point I make can say menyi ni say Georgina Wood so no bi obekọ akoje so obeje dia be mwanwa bani me yebo ade odi ne huni maame no so kra menyi ni so obekọ biem aden onko awadi chief justice once akọ council of state 2 times 8 years Debbie Adre Trasination Nananom. Now, Crofon Fanny or Mo. One Cromwell, what they say. Babu body drew renew na in Yabamana Conway Council. One minute go here. My Miss Cromwell Mobo. And the Queen of Far Sutoko Nintino. And was who was he from. Nan Yakofa Koya or Cassan and the pressure conform the podia fellow scratchy. No, at 2 and small Kania daddy. Now, my sword. Ebe Sassi de one. Jay. When America and park so I'll say wadi kanyo or no di kan or the first but first no or say mempe first no but me jam first no medi no na my baby di last na my baby shas ya foforo what be that what it look like tuna yet to aba editia Honorable Kennedy Japan no ase ya kakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because say ya eni Honorable Kennedy Japan mu a na the fact and the truth say Honorable Kennedy Japan e catch this government and say Ghana for na jide wo mu nti make sure say what commission sa hospital ne dia masantefo ene Ghana for at that moment I will bet now my NPP ebeba be demonstration the same Agyeta when this government will fail because adwuma go de da sesa we ye enti Honorable Kennedy Japan beka say NDC NPPfuo Reply 8 years one commission into obi aba 1.5 years yenja wo enti na Ghana gina so to aba this MPP so that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Ashanti region for Ashanti people any Ghana for Masa, only a hospital, on be a hospital, no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's a 1.5 on GP? On DD. Maybe so on GP. On DD. On DD. Sikaben or Tammy, yes, or the quack was starting 24 hours economy marketing. Sikaben or Tammy. Says you can yen to me, ye and fan finishes our hospital, Nana. It's a mistake at NPP, yeah, you know. That means all parts I say. And this is the same thing. And yes, I. Kofone Shasi. Or Shas and NDC for Betwaso, one way. And NDC for so free so. And NPP are Betwaso, almost one way. And I went this waba finishing. Finishing.
Mujana down. Sim with the beer you can want. On my way, just say you nim on my issue I walk. Kwa ya sheni ya mapapa na dan kwa kufuad Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia yeye dema o man we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency on my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders KBA the new patriotic party. The leaders of the party, another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospital and a go san and no woman say. It is a Canadian saying a no man in Abaya. It is a check scan kwa kanye de wasa botumi wo say oh I say wo say NPP for ya akonfo ne mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me so be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi dem okeke mu kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nko no ntu ne nko nyina e ho chief imam for nko no ntu ne nko nyina e ho politicians nko no ntu ne nko nyina e ho market women omo nko no ntu ne nko nyina e ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina e ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete neze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yenketenkete ya adwen yenketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yenketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open konketenkete isi enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire rajon dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy digitalization and to kinki ntimo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de rajon dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so kenye beto aba na ma bum 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 mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
O sister asem no. Listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda na and nam one. Yes. Na che say, was in no kura dwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say.
Economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina say. Papa or council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost why na say maintain ho ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mo bi mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because yoko we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already no, what's what fizzy on my account without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oya unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fed na afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na all my no issue document say we a fugitive. Awo jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say you office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings ABP. Very soon who recordings are ABP. And this state institutions are. Oh. On Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my Agyeta.